welcome to Match Day 2018. My name is Emily Stratton and I am the STEM Education Specialist at University of Iowa Healthcare. Today we are inside the Jean and Renee Robillard Atrium here at the University of Iowa Carver College of Medicine, and we are going to show you what Match Day 2018 is all about. It's a very exciting morning, so be sure to stay tuned in. If you'd like to comment with where you're watching from or who you're watching for, be sure to do that in the comments below, or just to send your congratulations to any of our fourth-year medical students. For those of you who may not be familiar with Match Day, it's a day all across the country in which medical students, fourth-year medical students, will find out where they're going to be doing their residencies and in what specialty their residency will be in. So it's a very exciting day as they find out where their next steps are going to take them. So be sure to follow along with us as we take you through Match Day.
Hey, how are you? Haven't seen you guys here.
Yeah. Michael.
Hey, Michael. I'm in their lab. So.
How are you doing?
We're here with Matt Edwards, who works in the office of the registrar at the Carver College of Medicine. Matt, can you tell us a little bit about Match Day and what it means for the medical students?
Yeah, well, it's a big deal for our students. It's probably more important than graduation to them, really. I mean, it's a huge deal. It happens across the country all at the same time. We distribute the envelopes. They can wait to open them. They can open them right away. Family and friends are here, but they're going to find out where they're beginning their professional physician careers.
Where the next step is?
Yeah.
Can you tell us about the process? How do they find out where their residency is going to be at?
So it's really started last fall when they started applying to programs, doing interviews, and then they submit a rank order list nationally. Programs submit a rank order list, and then the match system has this algorithm that's actually like a Nobel Prize winning algorithm that places the best matches, the most matches together. So today we'll go through, Dean Cooper will read off the names, we'll give them their card. It really takes like 10 or 15 minutes, and they can open their envelope anytime along the way there. And the person they all put $1 in when they get their envelope. So the person who has the unfortunate luck of waiting the whole time to have their name drawn last, the tradition is then they get to collect that money. So we've got about 150 or so students here today.
That's pretty
somebody
exciting.
will walk away with a little more in their pocket. Yeah.
Well, thank you. Do you have a favorite part about Match Day?
You know what? This is my first Match Day, so I'm excited. I've heard a lot. I've been around, but I think just seeing so many excited families here along with their students is going to be a fun day.
It will be. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. We're here with Dr. Chris Cooper, who's the Senior Associate Dean for Medical Education at the Carver College of Medicine. Dr. Cooper, you were once a medical student here at the Carver College of Medicine.
I was.
Does this bring back memories for your Match Day?
Oh, I got expelled before match. So, no, it does bring back a lot of memories. It's an amazing day.
How do you think the students are feeling right now?
Nervous, excited, anxiety, I think.
Yes.
Yeah,
You can kind of feel it a little bit in the room, too.
Oh, absolutely. Probably starting to feel a little frustrated because they just want me to read the names and so they can find out where they're going.
Do you have any advice for them as they open up their letters and find out where their residency is going to be at?
I don't. No, I mean, it's such a big thing.
Yeah.
Just be happy.
Yep,
try to soak it in.
Yep,
yeah.
exactly. Enjoy the moment.
Yes, exactly.
Well, thank you so much for your time, Dr.
Absolutely.
Cooper.
Thank you. Thanks.
What I need to, oh, I love how the babies are. How are you all? Are you nervous? There might be some cracks. It's embarrassing.
Really? What's the deal?
I know it's
What's the deal?
Are you ready? Right now. Thank you. Ready for like the next hour? Yeah. Let's drag it out.
They should be talking about that. Looks like they're all over there.
We're here with Caroline, who's one of our fourth-year medical students. Caroline, can you tell us how you're feeling? You've gone through this with your whole family, got to find out where you're going to be doing your residency and what specialty. What are you feeling right now?
We're just excited to find out where we're going to be living for the next 5 years and ready to kind of get it over with and move on with our lives.
Yeah, exciting day. Is there any specialty that you're hoping to go into right now?
Yeah, so I'm planning on going into child psychiatry, and we could end up East Coast, West Coast, Midwest, so we're just
Kind of all over, just waiting for the envelope, waiting to find out.
ready for the adventure.
Anything that you're looking forward to most as you go into your residency and take that next step?
I think just having my own patients and really feeling like a doctor.
Great. Thank you so much, Caroline. We wish you the best.
Well, welcome to Match Day. I love this day. It's the most exciting, happiest day of the year, except for my birthday. First off, I want to welcome all of you, and I want to introduce our new Vice President for Medical Affairs and our Dean, Brooks Jackson. He's going to say just a few brief words. We all know you're waiting to get the letters here. This is his first match day at Iowa. I guess it's your first match day at Iowa, too. I'm sure he's going to congratulate you, and I'm sure he's going to emphasize that you need to celebrate responsibly. All right? So with that, Brooks.
Thank you very much. This is indeed a very exciting day, and I'm very pleased to know that I think we have prepared you all very well. This class passed the USMLE scores on their first try, every one of you, which is really exceptional. And I think that as you go into your residency programs, you have been very well prepared. I do encourage you to take advantage of this next phase of your career, soak it all in, really explore new opportunities no matter what, whether you go into private practice or academic medicine, whatever. You will meet lifelong career friends there. It really is a very exciting time. And I really hope that you have enjoyed your experience here and have found it extremely worthwhile. I'm sure your parents are very excited as well and appreciative that you have worked so hard to get where you are today. And you should appreciate your parents for probably having funded much of your education here as well. But I want to assure your parents that it has been a great investment. This is a great class. So as Chris said, I do also want you to celebrate responsibly. You do have probably a lot more time now after you open your envelopes and know where you're going. And just want to mention the Doc Dash, April 7th, 9 a.m. It's a great way to celebrate. And I would think the fourth years would have some great time to be able to do that. It's for a great cause, for the Mobile Free Clinic and the Iowa Community Clinic. So again, thank you very much and good luck wherever you end up. I know some of you will end up here, so I'll see some of you here as well later. So thank you.
Thanks, Brooks. He's right. This is a big day. It's a huge day. I don't think there's probably going to be a day that's as exciting or as climactic in your life. Truly, and I know some of you are thinking, well, wait a minute, maybe my wedding will be. Yeah. Maybe their next wedding. Okay, thanks, Annette. But if you think about it, you know, when the preacher says you can kiss the bride and you lift the veil, rarely does somebody go, "Oh, wow, I'm glad it's you." Or your sister. Just glad it's not Cousin Gertrude. I mean, that almost never happens outside of West Virginia. So you really cannot overestimate the direction that the information in this envelope is going to send you. As Brooks mentioned, it's going to shape your career. It's going to shape your friends, your life. Again, if you're not married, perhaps your spouse. Over the next 3 to 6 years of residency, you may meet your spouse, and in any given specialty, if you go, for example, 4 hours east of here for your residency, it's likely that your spouse will be a Cubs fan. If you go 4 hours south of here, it's likely your spouse could be a Cardinals fan. That's the type of big change where we're talking about. And it gets even bigger than that. If you think about it, if you actually match 4 or 5 hours north of here, your spouse probably won't even know they play professional baseball. I personally want to congratulate each and all of you on your tremendous accomplishments. You're the first class to graduate in the new curriculum. I know that's been stressful, but you've done a tremendous job. Your accomplishments are tremendous, and you've helped us a lot, and you've helped the classes that follow you. You'll hear more about that at graduation. Now, it's got to be right about 11 o'clock, and I could drone on, as most of you know, and there's actually a small sadistic part of me that would like to do that. But I suppose it's about that time. So, the rules of the game. Matt, it's his first match day, is going to spin this, which he's done. He's going to hand me an envelope. I'm going to mispronounce your name. You're going to come up. You're going to drop a $1 bill in this basket. And we're going to continue that. You can go off, read the information in your envelope, and the unfortunate person whose name is called last gets to keep all the dollars in that. So it's been a nice tradition. If they want to make a small donation to me, that's fine. Let's get going. First person, Emily Bavers. Brian Tegmeyer, Amy Tierney, Zachary Rasmussen, Olivia Rice, can you hear me? Courtney Carlson, Jihong Song, Austin Stark, Grant Reesberg, Kevin Rivera, Alec Thing, Kristen Watson, Katie Bierhoff, Noelle Waldschmidt, Maria McNerlin, Amy Young, Corbin Weaver, Nicholas Harpy, Michael Zhang, Eric Freebie, Kate Pitts, Rachel Atherton, Megan Weems, Ritu Shrikanta, Nikhil Batra, Brandon Bolt, Andrew Eckel, Scott Lorenzo, Catherine Lincolnmeyer, Rachel Marlowe, Casey McCleary, Andrew Papp, Grace Murray, Subha Subramania, Andrew Strudevant, Matthew Sloan, Sherwood. Emma Killoran. Allie Cohen. Corey Boffman. Daniel Cook. Brianna Brun. James Chunramani. Caitlin Davis. Harry
Hi
Blue.
there. We are here with Kevin Rivera. Can you tell us about where you got matched? You just opened your letter to find out where your residency is.
I just opened my letter. I'm going to be matching into psychiatry here at the University of Iowa.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
How are you feeling?
It's a lot of emotions, but I'm really, really excited to continue building and growing roots here and to continue some of the work that I've started here.
Great. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you.
Austin Bush. Miguel Rodriguez Holmes. Megan Deferred. Marissa Robinson. James McMiniman. Keenan McLaughlin. Devin McKissick. Braden Jensen. Chase Johnson. Zoe Hu. Alexandra Isaacson. Matthew Traxler. Sebastian Shijinka. Frank Jurisic. Aaron Lacey. Adam Cruz. Rebecca Brewer. Eric Monson. Carolyn Sanderson. Nathaniel Miller. James Kohler. Lauren Knack. Kay Kim. Aubrey Miller. Julie Gudenkoff. Michelle Pinkshon. Meredith Parsons. Pamela Imperial Hagerman. Andrew Goetz. Greta Dahlberg. Aaron Riggy. Stephanie Segura. Allison Kim. Anna Mark. Adam Miller. Marie Kim.
I already cried, I got my card.
Nurbeck. Evan Surya. Oh, Mel Nurbeck. Thomas Harris. Kelsey Hart. Nora Nguyen. Tyler McDermott. Ike Hasley. Bill Ferdinand. William McDowell. Anna Solt. Jacob Melendrez. Roger Sir. Joshua Schoenfeld. Bradley Egbers. Elizabeth Gertis. Mackenzie Thayer. Erica Tate.
Wherever you want to go.
Priya Subramani. Jenna Lund.
Allison, this could be you.
Taisha Dew. Jacqueline Engelbart. Sarah Stucker. Catherine Songer. Sarah Martin. Eric Elliott.
our fourth-year medical students. Can you tell? You just opened your letter. Can you tell us where you got matched?
So I'll be staying here in Iowa for emergency medicine.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
I feel relieved and happy.
Saw a lot of emotions come out. You opened your letter, so it's very exciting. How's your family feeling?
Very excited for her. Very proud of her.
And how do you feel now that she's staying here at the
Really
University of Iowa?
feels great.
Thank you. Perfect. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, Grandma.
Susanna Cook. Robert Strother. Nicholas Borman. Josie Yang. Christian Sloan Hagen. Carl Hamouche. Matthew Rudolph. Kevin Collerman. Lisa Weir Maves. Elise Hill. Marcus Palestine. Dean Hillhack. Thomas Mary. Mark Promo. Anna Frischman. The last one, winner of the big prize here, Jeffrey Jeriden. We'll have lunch next, folks. There's extra seating in the learning communities if you need extra seating for lunch. And after lunch, we'll go into the auditorium for a little map show.
I thought you guys were going to let me go. Wait, what? You're going to Madison? Oh. What are you talking about?
So we're here with Anna Mark. She's one of our fourth-year medical students. Anna, have you opened your letter?
Yes, I did.
And where will you be doing your residency?
I'm going to Davenport, Genesis.
Oh, very exciting. And what specialty?
Family medicine.
Well, congratulations. How are you feeling about all this?
Relieved.
Relieved that it's over? Yes. So, and your dad, he's in family medicine, is that correct?
Yes.
So, did that have an impact on your decision of going into family medicine?
Yeah, definitely. I was able to shadow him when I was an undergrad, and that kind of made me want to do medicine, and then also made me want to do family.
Yep. Well, what are you looking forward to most going into your residency, starting that next half?
Oh man, I'm just excited for all of it. You know, I love patient care. That's why I went into medicine, family medicine especially. So I'm just looking forward to getting to meet new patients and new people. And
it's exciting. Well, congratulations.
All right.
Thank you.
Welcome. Glad to hear it. Great. It is a happy day. It's a happy day. Rush. Let's go bomb some beers. Hey, that's good to see you. Mayo, huh? Yeah. Oh, you're going. Good. Yeah, there's
Get in there.
Nashville.
Congratulations. What specialty?
Internal medicine.
How do you feel about it? Really excited?
It feels kind of amazing, it's all this hard work and all leading up to this, so I'm really excited.
How about you, Rob?
I'm going to Rush University in Chicago. I'm really excited about it. Yep. I'd just like to say thank you to everyone that helped me along the way. I mean, it was a lot of work that came into it. It wasn't just me alone. It was a lot of my family and friends along the way that really helped.
And what specialty are you going to do?
Orthopedics.
Very exciting. Congratulations. What are you guys looking forward to most after this? Going into residency, starting that next step?
Just kind of going from being a student to kind of having more responsibility and, just kind of starting and working and what you've been working for the last 8-10 years. It feels like it's finally happening, and this is kind of the first step. So, just kind of getting out there and really taking care of patients, and I'm excited to just, get my feet wet. So.
Yeah, I've had the privilege of working with some of the best professionals in the field here at Iowa, and I feel honored to have been able to train here, and I'm excited to take what I've learned and move it to the field where I'm actually the one providing the care. So.
Well, we wish you the best. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Happy match day.
Thanks. Sure. Vanderbilt.
We're here with Dr. Brooks Jackson, who is the Vice President for Medical Affairs and the Dean for the Carver College of Medicine. Dr. Jackson, how do you think the students are feeling right now?
I think they're very excited. I am sure many of them got their first choice, but if they got their second, third choice, usually these were all programs they would be very excited about going to. And obviously for many of them, it's a totally new geographic location for them, which in itself is very exciting, I think. So,
right, taking the next steps, and they worked very hard for this.
They did work very hard. So, when I went through the match, I was very excited, and so I suspect they are as well.
So this is your first match day at the Carver College of Medicine. What are your feelings on it? Do you have a favorite part about match day at the Carver College of Medicine, or just match day in general?
Well, match day in general, but seeing the students open their envelopes and seeing their expressions, for the most part, almost always, they're very excited about it, which is really gratifying to see that.
We've seen a lot of emotions in the room so far.
We have, yes.
And going forward, do you have any advice for these medical students as they start their residencies, whether in Iowa or across the country?
Well, it is the next phase of their career, and it's a very important phase of their career for their specialty, for example. And I really encourage them to take advantage of this phase in terms of soaking as much information and taking advantage of the opportunities there. They have elective time during these residency programs as well to explore things that they've never had the chance to do before with their special knowledge that they've acquired. So those are all great things, and being able to meet new friends as well as faculty who will become literally lifelong mentors or friends of theirs in their careers, which is very worthwhile for your career as well as your personal life too.
Exactly. That's some great advice.
Yep.
Thank you so much for taking the time to interview with us. We appreciate it.
Okay, well, thank you.
So this will go with us. But you
And there's a couple of my classmates that are on this too. I think I've already been
Where you go?
Dude.
Good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Surgery.
Thank you.
You know, remember before how Kamansky overnight, he wanted to do.
All right, we've got a few medical students here with us. This is Scott Lorenzo. We've got Austin and Sarah.
Married to him.
Spouse. So do you want to tell us where you got matched? How are you feeling?
Yes, I am extremely excited. I got University of Wisconsin Hospitals in Madison, which was my number one. So I'm really excited right now.
Congratulations, Scott. So happy for you. What about you, Austin?
Yeah, we're so excited. We're headed to Concord, North Carolina for Camaris Family Medicine. So yeah.
Awesome. Congratulations to you as well. What are you guys looking forward to most as you take the next step in residency?
I guess we need some independence, getting to actually like put in all this knowledge that I've learned at Iowa and actually getting to use it on my own. I guess that's pretty exciting now.
Yeah.
4 years.
Just a new start, having a new adventure in a different location, and getting to put to work all the stuff I've learned for these years. So.
Well, that's awesome. Well, you found out the anticipation's over, and congratulations. We wish you the best.
Thank you so much, Emily. All right, things are wrapping up here at Match Day at the University of Iowa Carver College of Medicine. What an exciting morning it has been. We're going to be continuing to post updates to Facebook and Twitter. You can follow that at #UIMatchDay and #Match2018. And you can follow us on Facebook to find out more information about where these medical students got matched this year. Thank you so much for tuning in.